Phonograms Set 6, the long U sound. Okay, we'll start again with our silent E, and an example of that would be cube. Before we put our silent E on, you'll notice that this U would then make a short sound like cub, but as soon as we put that silent E on, it says ooh, cube. Okay. Our next two patterns of spelling the long U sound would be UI and UE. Again, two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking and says its name. Words like fruit, and blue. Now we move on to an unusual word to describe these two sounds. This is a diphthong. A diphthong is made when you have two vowels, or in this case, you use the W, and you have a sliding sound. So when you put them together, your mouth changes position. So if you say this with me, ooh, ooh, you notice that your mouth starts off with your lips round, and then it relaxes into a W, ooh. And the same when you say this ooh. Okay, so words like new and zoo, both are not spelled with a U, but they make the U sound. And then our final one for U is a very unusual spelling. O-U-G-H. The GH is silent, just like we've seen in the I and the E sound, but we don't say the first vowel. The first vowel is also silent, so we're just saying U. And we see that in a sight word, through. O-U-G-H. Through.